Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to turn on or how to enable voice search in your Google Play Store. For that, go ahead and open up your Play Store. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on search icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon right here, the mic icon. Click on that. And this is going to pop up. Allow Google Play Store to record audio. You can decide to choose while using the app or only this time. I'm going to go ahead and click on only this time. Search for something for you. Just like so. So whatever app you made mention right here is automatically open it. Let's take a look at another example. Click on just like so, it's automatically open up like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Play Store, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.